Important notice. This video is provided for informational and educational purposes only. It does not substitute professional medical advice. Did you know that a simple ingredient you probably have in your pantry can transform your health in surprising ways? Get ready to discover the incredible benefits of baking soda and how it can revolutionize your life. Hello, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any important content. Baking soda is a versatile compound found in many kitchens, but its applications go far beyond just baking. This natural remedy has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health issues due to its alkaline properties and ability to neutralize acids. Baking soda is considered an economical and effective solution for many common ailments. Let's explore how this simple ingredient can improve your health in surprising ways. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn more. 8 benefits of baking soda. 1. Relief from heartburn and acid reflux. Baking soda can alleviate heartburn and acid reflux due to its alkaline properties, which neutralize excess stomach acid. When mixed with water and consumed, baking soda acts as a natural antacid, relieving the burning sensation and discomfort in the chest caused by acid reflux. This provides temporary relief from symptoms and helps restore pH balance in the stomach. However, it's important to use it in moderation and follow medical guidelines, as excessive use of baking soda can lead to unwanted side effects. Preparation. To prepare a baking soda solution, simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Stir well until the baking soda is completely dissolved in the water, then drink slowly. It's important not to exceed the recommended dose and consult a healthcare professional before use. 2. pH balance. Baking soda is known for its ability to balance the body's pH, neutralizing acidity and promoting a more alkaline environment. When ingested, it reacts with acids in the stomach, forming carbon dioxide, water, and salts, which helps reduce gastric acidity. This can help alleviate symptoms of heartburn and indigestion. Additionally, maintaining a balanced body pH is essential for the proper functioning of various bodily functions and can contribute to overall health and well-being. A balanced pH is essential for overall health, helping to prevent diseases and promote optimal body function. A more alkaline environment can reduce inflammation, strengthen the immune system, and contribute to bone and cardiovascular health. 3. Treatment of digestive problems. Its ability to neutralize stomach acid can help reduce the sensation of discomfort and burning associated with indigestion. In addition, by releasing carbon dioxide in the stomach, baking soda can help relieve pressure caused by gas buildup. When ingested, baking soda reacts with acids present in the stomach, producing carbon dioxide, water, and salts. This reaction helps raise the pH of the stomach, making it less acidic and reducing the burning sensation and discomfort associated with indigestion and acid reflux. However, it's important to use baking soda in moderation. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any treatment with baking soda. 4. Fighting fungal infections. Baking soda can be effective in combating fungal infections, such as oral candidiasis and fungal infections on the skin, due to its antifungal properties. It helps balance the pH of the skin and mucous membranes, creating a less favorable environment for fungal growth. For oral candidiasis, a mouthwash can be made with water and baking soda to reduce the amount of fungi in the mouth. Additionally, baking soda can be used as a powder for topical application. To consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda to treat fungal infections, especially if they are severe or recurrent. 5. Relief from burns and skin irritations. Baking soda can provide immediate relief for sunburns, insect bites, and skin irritations due to its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. For sunburns, adding baking soda to bath water can help relieve pain and irritation, while a paste made with baking soda and water applied directly to the skin can provide temporary relief. For insect bites, a similar paste can be applied to the affected area to reduce itching and inflammation. Additionally, baking soda can be used as a gentle exfoliant to help remove dead skin cells and soothe irritation. However, it's important to perform a sensitivity test before applying baking soda to the skin, as some people may be sensitive to it and experience additional irritation. 6. Body odor removal. Baking soda possesses natural odor neutralizing properties, being effective in combating body odors such as those in the armpits and feet. By applying it to these areas, it absorbs moisture and neutralizes the acids that feed odor-causing bacteria. As a result, it helps keep the skin fresh and free from unpleasant odors. To use it, simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it directly to the skin, leaving it on for a few minutes before rinsing. This simple solution can provide effective and long-lasting relief against unwanted odors. 7. Relief from muscle and joint pain. Baking soda can also offer relief for muscle and joint pain, especially after intense physical activities. It acts as an alkalizing agent, helping to neutralize the lactic acid buildup in muscles during exercise, which can cause pain and fatigue. Additionally, baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the joints, providing relief from pain. One way to use it is to add it to a warm and relaxing bath, allowing its soothing effects to alleviate muscle tension and promote recovery after a workout. 8. Teeth and gum cleaning. Baking soda can be a powerful ally in oral hygiene, helping to clean teeth and strengthen gums. Its gentle texture and mild abrasive properties can help remove surface stains from teeth, leaving them whiter and brighter. Additionally, baking soda has antibacterial properties that can help reduce bacterial plaque and tartar buildup, preventing cavities and gum disease. To use baking soda in oral hygiene, simply mix it with water to form a paste and brush your teeth as usual. It's important not to overuse it and avoid frequent use, as baking soda can be abrasive in excess and damage tooth enamel. Experience the benefits of baking soda in your daily routine and discover how it can improve your health and well-being. With its versatile and effective properties, baking soda can be a valuable addition to your everyday life. Enjoy all its benefits and feel the difference in your health and quality of life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on health and well-being. Until the next video.